Beautiful people. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful day. Right before I go to my voice lessons class, I was thinking about a lot of things, and forgiveness is one of the things that came to mind because it's something that is hard for most people to do. And me being the person that I am, I've had, and let me say this, I've had things happen for me. I realize that they happen for me, but I've had things happen from people towards me that it didn't warrant anything. And it took me a long time to come to this conclusion that most people don't know what they're doing to you. They truly don't understand that what they do now echoes on to eternity. Now, not everyone believes this, and I'm not going to force what I believe to be true, but what you do now echoes on to eternity. If you understand that we've lived many, many lives, if we've been on this planet multiple times, that's why they say this, you're an old soul, because I feel like I'm a very, very old soul. What you do now echoes on to an eternity. So when you do things that aren't good, that you know in your heart not to be good, you are setting the precedence for the lives to come. You have to be very, very careful with how you treat people and how you talk to people. You have to be careful. It's important to understand that. And it took me some time to realize that most of the people that have wronged me, especially more recently, well, you can call it the past, right? Because I don't live in the past anymore. Most of the people that have wronged me, they don't realize what they did. They don't. So I'm saying I'm not holding anything against anyone because most people don't know they don't know what they do and the repercussions of it. And I don't have to do anything. When you're a pure person and when you have good intentions and you have a good heart, I've been this type of person my entire life. I've always let the universe take care of whatever issues that I'm facing. I never seek revenge on people, and I never wish bad on people because it's not in me. What I do say is I wish you healing, love, and happiness, because hurt people hurt people. And I'm not hurting. I've let go of all the pain that I had, and it's okay. All is forgiven. I had to write it down in my book and say, you know what? I'm forgiving X, Y, and Z. I'm forgiving everyone who has ever done anything to harm me, because things don't happen to me. They happen for me. All of it's for me and my growth. And all of it so that I can teach people how to cope with that. I also wanted to talk about, I made a post about just dealing with messy individuals. I have to say that I've had my fair share of messy people, and it only takes one time for me to see the messiness. I still got love for you, but you can't be in my circle. You can't be in my space, but I still love you, and I'm still help you become your greatest version, because that's just the type of person I am. I'm still going to worry about how you're feeling and what's going on with you. And I'm still probably going to help you in ways that you probably won't even know, because that's just the type of person I am. I want to help people. And it's weird. The ones that hurt me and the ones that do these things, I want to still help them because I understand that they are hurting. I could see into them and I can understand and overstand and understand what is happening with them. I understand and I get it. But be aware of what you're doing, just overall. And for the people who are experiencing what I have experienced, don't take it personal. It's not personal, honey. It's okay. Let it go and release. You don't have to deal with any of it. Allow the universe to take over, because the universe will fix it all. The universe has always got your back, even if it feels like the universe doesn't have your back. So I listened to some frequency music as for the heart chakra. I feel a lot better right now. I feel like I'm ready to take on the world, and that whatever happened or whatever is happening, it's okay. I'm letting it go and I'm leaving it up to the universe. That's Thursday's motivations. That's everyday motivation. Let go of what's no longer serving you. Move on. If you have friends or family that's in your life that's not doing right by you, let them go. Don't stay in that. Don't do it. don't do it. It's not worth your energy. It's not worth anything. My morals and values matter to me a lot more. So I'm living in my truth. I love everybody. I want to help everybody grow into the person they need to be. I want to help heal this planet. I want to help heal everybody. But it got to start within here first. I had a lot of inner growth to do. And baby, I'm shining. Look at my skin, honey. I'm glowing. So thank you so much, guys, for the support. I'm coming out with more videos about leaving the matrix or what it's like. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Peace.